Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the computer that already connected to the hotspot. Make sure you're signed in as an administrator. Open the OS network settings now, Windows, settings right arrow network and internet right arrow Wi-Fi, Mac OS, system preferences right arrow network. Once there, find the saved networks or known networks list and select the hotspot SSID. This reveals the entry you'll inspect. It's faster than resetting the device and preserves existing connections, so proceed to the Credentials view. Next, you'll reveal the stored password. The how and why matter. On Windows, open Network and Sharing Center, find the hotspot, choose Wireless Properties and check Show Characters after authenticating. This displays the saved key. On Mac OS, open Keychain Access, search the SSID, double-click the item, then tick Show Password, and enter your admin credentials or Touch ID. Once done, the system confirms ownership and lets you see the passphrase without resetting network hardware. You're almost finished. Copy the revealed password into a secure note or password manager so you don't have to repeat this. Make sure not to transmit it over insecure channels. If you can't view the password, confirm you're using the original admin-level account. Without proper privileges, the OS won't reveal saved keys. Finally, if the network behaves oddly after changes, restart the network service or reboot the computer. That typically forces settings to refresh and resolves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.